I'm Blair Gilbert for MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware in St. Clair Shores, here to show you how to repair a sledgehammer handle. Sledgehammer handles are usually when the wood is driven into the head of the hammer and then wedged in with wood and metal wedges to keep the handle from coming loose. The easiest way to repair the handle is to drill around the wedge and a couple holes around the outside where the wood comes in contact with the metal, so you reduce the friction and you can pull the old handle out in order to put the new handle in. When I'm drilling out wood handles like this, I usually like a 1/4-inch drill bit. I can usually be pretty aggressive with it. It's strong enough to handle my torquing it around while the drill is running. Here is the metal wedge. It's like a keeper holding the wood wedge, and then here is a wood wedge that was driven in. That's what expanded the wood and held the handle into the head. Our goal is to get the metal wedge out. Sometimes, because I'm thrifty, not cheap, I save them. There you have it. There's the metal wedge. I use something large, so I need something such as a socket that I can that's blunt, that I can tap on the wood, getting it soft so I am not peating it or ruining my socket. There you have it. Handle is removed. When you go to install the new handle, you look for the weights that are stamped in the weight. This is a 10-pound sledge. The weight goes up. When you buy a sledgehammer handle, try to get a hickory one, and you'll see it comes with a wooden wedge and the metal wedge. With the weight stamped facing up, I put the handle in. Tap it a couple times, get it started. Then I get out a hammer and watch this. Pounded that in there real nice and perfect. We have our extra wood sticking out this side. I'm going to cut this off. Take a screwdriver and you have to make that gap, the split that they put in the handle, a little bigger in order to get the wedge started. So there it is, handle's in. Repair your old tools from MrHardware.com.